Well, welcome back. So, last weekend I got started on this project. I ended up screwing my back up, and I have been on my living room floor all week long. I've had back issues for about 18 years, so it's pretty standard. It got me pretty good this time, took me down. I'm very limited on what I can do. So I think today I borrowed my dad's small welder, and I'm gonna go through and start welding these side panels in. It's gonna take a lot of tack welds to get them put in there, but it's something light duty that I can do without having to wrestle big sheets and stuff like that. So that's what we're gonna do today. Got my super custom air ventilation system set up here, pulling the smoke away from me and kind of keeping the haze down in the shop. So anyways, that's today's game plan, and yeah, like I said, very limited on what I can do, so I'm gonna do what I can. All right, well, it's not too bad. I mean, sheet metal wants to warp no matter what, and I am putting a brace behind that spot where that horizontal weld went. It did pull, but it is, since I ground it, it is flattening out decently, so that won't be bad. There was already a bit of a cave in the body right here. There's a dent over here from in the past, so I'll be trying to work that whole dent back out once I have everything braced. And that over here, I didn't, this top, I might have to actually cut this back out and lay those pieces together better. I didn't realize the top of this rail rolled in so bad, so I'll have to fix that. I'm gonna split a chunk of, I think it's 3/4 inch square tube over there, split it in half, and then I'll do a bunch of relief cutting and stuff around to make this lip match this lip. So I've got to do that. I'll probably do it next. I think for today I'm gonna try and just finish this side of the body, or not finish it, but just work on this side of the body, because I have to pull the Jeep out, this one, and turn this one around to be able to do the other side. And just crawling in and out of that Jeep right now with a bad back is not working for me very well. So we'll see. Maybe a friend will swing by and back it out for me, help me turn it around, and I'll start on the other side. But for today, I'm just going to focus here. little noisy in here, but we'll make do. So there's going to be another strap that lays on top of this. So this is just our inner piece. You can see the factory body had 2 pieces. And I can't do it how they did, but I can do it how I know. So yeah, we ended up with a decent lip in there. And I'm hoping when I cut all these tacks off, this side panel was really warped. It wanted to pop in or out, but I put a few braces on it and messed with it some, and it seems better. So when I cut those tacks, I hope it doesn't snap back, but I wanted it straight when I welded that piece in there. So hopefully we gain some strength.